Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by identifying the direction of conventional current because the rule uses positive flow. Extend your right hand and point your thumb in that current direction. This is the first actionable step. Once done, curl your remaining fingers naturally without forcing them. Those fingers represent the magnetic field lines looping around the conductor. Make sure your wrist is relaxed so the curl shows the field wrapping. This alignment gives an immediate visual link between current and field. You now use the curled fingers to determine the magnetic field direction at any point around the wire. Place an imaginary conductor through your palm and observe how each finger points tangent to the field circles. That gives you direction at different positions. Once you map those tangents, note that the thumb alone establishes the current sign, so changing palm orientation won't invert the field sense. For multi-turn loops, point the thumb along the loop current and run your fingers over the loop to see field inside. You finish by verifying your prediction. If the field direction matches expectations, you're done. If not, double-check the current arrow and repeat the hand alignment. Remember, the rule uses conventional current. If you must work with electron flow, reverse the thumb direction. Once done, a small compass placed near the conductor will confirm the curled finger direction. If things still disagree, pause, redraw the current arrows clearly, and run the right hand grip again step by step to find the mistake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.